at Golden Cap campsite in Seatown. This is our glamping pod for the weekend. Matthew. We have Laddie. Hello. We have dogs. We have bionic knee. Which one is it? Bionic knee. Granny Jan. We're going up Golden Cap. AJ's coming too. We've got walking sticks to assist our descent down. Her dog's getting all excited. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Yes. Looking out Seatown. Very pretty little hamlet rather than a town, I'd say. It's a little walk up the road before we get to the path. And here we are, Golden Cap, 1¼ miles. It is uphill. That's a glimpse of Golden Cap. What's the dust level? Oh, okay. Could take a while. We have a dog that's easily distracted. I might do those tomorrow. E and Granny Jam walking up. Dot, Matt, Laddie, and then there's the landscape and the cliffs coming out of Seatown, and in the very distance we can see Portland. And autumn's definitely here. The ferns are changing colour, blackberries up along the path. That's why I do a lot of videoing, so I don't get out of breath. Look at these blackberries, oh my god. Laddie, you'll learn, you don't come back down once you've come up, love. Nearly halfway up, so Seatown ½ mile, well maybe 3/4 of, say a third of the way up. So, little bench here, just right for people with bionic knees and geriatric dogs. How are we doing, Dot? We having fun? We having fun, Dot? Are we? Laddie, are we having fun? Are we having fun? How is it? Good? Good, good. We're carrying on then. Well, you know where the nearest bench is now, Granny Jan, if you have to come down. We're quite high up now, not far from the top of Golden Cap. Lots of people walking, and this is different for me because I've walked all around there, and when I walked down I just wanted to finish. I didn't really take in the view, so it's quite nice to look at it again. There's a nice bench at the top for weary travellers. And it's reached the top of Golden Cap. That's the view. It was really windy when I came up here earlier on in the year.
That was worth it, wasn't it?
We're going to walk over here, Granny Jan, so you can see Lyme Regis and beer you'll be able to see around here. We're to post. Yeah, the both walked on. That's the campsite, and that's Seatown Beach. And looking ahead then is going round to Abbotsbury and Portland, and then on the other side we have in the near distance Charmouth, and then Lyme Regis, and then going round there's some white the undercliffs, and then the white cliff there is Beer Head, and then there's a massive peninsula there. I'm not sure where that is. I've tried to look on my map and it's hard to say. It's nice to come here without having to rush off and have a really good look at the views. And look at my route that I did last time I came up. It's quite a steep walk up coming up. Oh my god, AJ, go away from the cliff edge. Close to the edge. That's as close as I get. I came up that way, H, or that way, up there. Dog's off the lead. Nice little walk. It's only 1.25 miles up from the campsite at Seatown, and amazing views actually. We've just worked out that that point over there, you probably can't see it on this camera, is over 50 miles away, and it's just incredible that you can see so far. I don't actually remember being able to see Portland from that point when I did the Coast Path walk, but yeah, it's amazing. And there's Golden Cap. Lots of people walking today, which is lovely, and everyone's really friendly, and so gonna recommend Golden Cap campsite. They have glamping pods, they have basic camping, the camp shop's great, makes pizzas, and they have fish and chips van come to the campsite at the weekend, and the pub, the Anchor Inn, is also charming, and there's food. You can't book a table, you just turn up, and the food looks amazing. So this is my little secret hideaway recommendation, Seatown in Dorset. It's a great place to come back to, and the views from Golden Cap are outstanding. Seatown Beach now is the Anchor Inn, and Golden Cap over there, and then the town there you can see in the distance is Lyme Regis. That's the campsite, so that's how close you are to the beach. And we're just going to walk along the beach because last time I was here I didn't get the opportunity to do that, so I thought it'd be nice just to go to the edge. The cliffs that I've walked along. It's quite nice being underneath them and being able to look up and see how high they are in relationship to being next to the sea. I'm walking along the cliff edge and there's these funky rocks that we liked. Some have got fossils in them. These, I don't think these have, but we've just seen a few. kind of cool markings on them. Oh, here, there's fossils. Look, they're fossils. I think they are anyway. The stones are just beautiful on the beach. They're all marked and it's hard not to pick a load up and just bring them home. But I think that's frowned upon. Right, we're going to go and find the fossil hunters now. And got these clay-like cliffs. This is where the fossils are, I think. Just spied the fossil hunters up here, so be with them shortly. And there's Golden Cap. Tallest cliff on the south coast. It's an incredible, you can just see for such a long way up top. Didn't like that, did you, Doc? No. Hard work, wouldn't it?
I think I can eat seafood.
I think you could eat it. I don't know. Oh yeah, there's another one. Oh, that's
I'm
lovely.
not sure what that is.
No. It's like a circular. Cool. We have no hammer or anything, we're just beach combing, we just saw those. Oh look, it looks like a tail of a seahorse. The other side of Seatown, and everywhere there's like fossils. I don't know whether you can see that one. It's like just seeing them all over the place. I just pulled that out of a piece of rock, and also just found this one. Look. Just lying around like someone's left them there for us. It's mad. Just keeping your eyes peeled and you just can see them lying on the floor. It's great. I love this place. So we're just going to go to the end of the Seatown beach. Just walking back now towards the fossil hunters. Look at that beach, hardly anybody on it, and I'd say it's probably about 20 degrees. Probably wouldn't want to swim in the sea, but oh my god, it's just so lovely here. It's in my top 10 places to visit on the southwest coast path, that's for sure. We're back at the anchor inn.